In a recent development, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has raised the proposed 2025 budget from 49.7 trillion naira to 54.2 trillion naira, citing additional revenue generated by key government agencies. The president conveyed the budget adjustment in separate letters sent to both the Senate and the House of Representatives, which were read during the plenary today by the Senate President, Godswill Akpabio. According to President Tinubu, the increase was driven by 1.4 trillion naira in additional revenue from the Federal Inland Revenue Service (FIRS), 1.2 trillion naira from the Nigerian Customs Service (NCS), and 1.8 trillion naira generated by other government-owned agencies. Following the announcement, the Senate President has referred the President's request to the Senate Committee on Appropriation for urgent consideration. He assured lawmakers that the budget will be finalized and passed before the end of February. With this development, the National Assembly is expected to fast-track deliberations to ensure timely approval and implementation of the 2025 budget. We will continue to monitor this developing story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.